Hey guys, and welcome to Makeup Mondays with Nikki. Since yesterday was the 4th of July, I decided to recreate my 4th of July look that I had for yesterday. And I hope you guys really enjoy the video. I will say that I am not a makeup artist and I'm kind of clumsy in the video. I hope that you really like it for the fact that this is one of my first videos that I've done for this channel. And just to let you know, for this whole entire channel, it will be one day every week, only on Mondays. That's only just makeup. And either way, let's get right down to the video. Alright guys, so what I've already done for you already is that I've already done washed my face, I've done put my powder on my face, I did my eyeliner and what little I do to my brows, and I also done did one side of my eyes already to show you, and then I'm going to do the other side afterwards, show you how I did it. For my face, I didn't use any kind of foundation or anything like that. All I use is the CoverGirl Clear Matte Pressed Powder, which is Buff Beige, number 525. And I applied that with my Cheeky and 218 brush. I applied 2 covers of it. I did it once, then I did it a second time. And for my brow and for my eyes, I used my LA Colors eyeliner / brow pencil. And for my eyes, for my mascara, I've already did, of course, for my left side. I use my Urban Decay Perversion Bigger, Blacker, Badder mascara. And for my eyeshadow over here, which is just a glitter white and somewhat of a glitter blue, I use my 16 color eyeshadow palette from LA Colors. And so let's get right on down into me doing this eye over here. Now, like I said before, I've already did the mascara already, and I've already did my eyeliner. So all I gotta do is do the white and do the blue. Now, what I've done at first, I used my stick right here, and I went to, I don't know if you can see it, I went to this white color right here, and I applied it to my eyelid the first time at first already. So I'm going to apply some right here. And all I did is apply it all over my eyelid. I know some people apply it a different way, sometimes with their finger or a different brush, but I just go with the flow with what I have because I'm not a real makeup expert, as you can tell. I just do what comes comfortable. Alright, that's all I did the first time. Now what I did next was, you can tell I'm not a makeup artist or anything because I believe this part up here with my crease brush, I use my crease brush and I use it on this dark blue right there, just for my crease at first. I didn't put too much on it because it's a very dark blue. And when I was doing this in my bathroom mirror, I went over it a few times because I didn't want that much blue or something, or I didn't have enough blue, as you can see. So when I went in there, normally I'll just do the crease like a white and then a dark color right there instead of the white right there. But since it was 4th of July, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and do the white right here, because this side over here is what I did for my 4th of July. But I like this side better. So instead of, I use my crease brush. But then, I'm not sure exactly what other brush this would be called, but I did a dab tip of some of the blue. And all I did was go up a bit so that you can see more, you know. And I did it all over. At first I did it all the way to the middle part. I mean, not the middle part, but the corner of my eye. And then I just fill it in a few times. And there's that right there, as close as it can get. And the last thing I did, because of all that blue covering, I used my crease brush again, and I went back to the white just a little bit. Just to dab some more in there. And of course I wiped it. But after that I went back to my very first brush I used for my eyelid. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I'm a little clumsy today. I'm so sorry. But I went back to my brush for my eyelid. And I just dabbed a little bit on it, just to make sure that you can mainly see the white on my eyelid and the blue on the very top. So, right there. So that's what I did. And I think that is good enough right now. So that's what I did for the eyes and everything. So I've did the eyes. Now for my lips, what I normally do is I did a lip color with my lip liner stick and just lip gloss this time, because normally I'll use lip gloss or I would use lipstick, but yesterday I just went normal and just used lipstick. So for my lip liner I used my Berry Red 717 Wet n Wild lip liner stick. And all I did was line my lips at first. Okay. Since I've did that, done lip line my lips, I'm going to use my lip gloss, and this is another Wet n Wild lip gloss brand of red. I'm not sure what kind of red it is. Okay, it's the 55 1D My Cherry Amour, and all I did was grab some and just added it to my lips, my bottom first. Some people go ahead and put their lips together, but me, I just put a little on the top. And then mush my lips together. Okay, so what I've done did all of that. And just to get out the light, as you can see, that is my 4th of July look. It only looks like this because I'm in my bathroom light. So, I hope you guys liked it. And thanks for watching.